ChatGPT. How to make money in 2023. Are you interested in making money online with ChatGPT in 2023? If so, you've come to the right place. ChatGPT, or Get Paid To, is a relatively new way of making money online that has become increasingly popular over the past few years. In this blog post, we'll cover the basics of what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how to get started making money with it in 2023. So, if you're looking for an easy and fun way to make some extra cash, read on to learn more about ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, or Get Paid To, is a method of making money through a variety of online activities, such as taking surveys, playing games, and completing tasks. This type of monetization has been gaining popularity among people who want to earn some extra money or supplement their income. With ChatGPT, you'll be able to make money by performing simple tasks, such as answering surveys, sharing your opinion, or playing games. You can get paid for every task you complete, whether it's taking surveys, downloading apps, or watching videos. One of the benefits of using ChatGPT is that it's easy to get started. All you need is an internet connection and a willingness to perform tasks. Additionally, you don't have to invest any money in order to start making money with ChatGPT. If you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, ChatGPT may be the perfect option for you. With minimal effort and investment, you can start making money from the comfort of your own home. What do you need to start? If you wanted to get started with ChatGPT, the first thing you need is a reliable internet connection and a laptop or desktop computer. You'll also need to have basic knowledge of the English language in order to understand and respond to tasks assigned by the GPT platform. To start earning money with ChatGPT, you'll need to sign up with a GPT platform. This usually requires filling out a form with your personal information, such as name, email address, and bank account details. Once you've done this, you can start working on tasks that are available on the platform. You will also need to set up an account with a payment processor like PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, or Stripe. This will be used to receive payments from the GPT platform for tasks completed. Finally, you may need to download any necessary software apps required for certain tasks, such as Skype or Google Chrome. This will depend on the type of task you're completing and the GPT platform you're using. How does it work? ChatGPT is an online platform where you can complete tasks to earn money. It is a relatively new type of platform, but it has become popular in recent years. The tasks that are available on ChatGPT range from taking surveys and polls to completing tasks like transcribing audio files or doing data entry. When you join the platform, you will be asked to complete a profile with details about yourself and your interests. Once this information is filled out, you will be presented with available tasks. You can choose to accept or decline each task. If you accept the task, you will be given instructions on how to complete it. Once you have completed the task, you will receive payment for it. The amount you earn depends on the type of task and the number of tasks that you complete. Some tasks may require more work than others, and the amount of money you make may vary depending on the task you complete. On average, most users make around $50 a month on ChatGPT. Overall, ChatGPT is a great way to make money online in your spare time. It's free to join and easy to use, so anyone can get started quickly. With some dedication and hard work, you can make a decent income from ChatGPT. What are the pros and cons? When it comes to making money through ChatGPT, there are both pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, it is a relatively easy and convenient way to make some extra cash. You can make money right from the comfort of your own home, without having to invest any money up front. There is also no need to worry about marketing or finding customers since it is handled through the platform. However, there are also some potential downsides to this type of income-generating activity. For one thing, it may be difficult to find reliable partners who will pay you on time. Additionally, many of these platforms charge hefty fees for their services, which can eat away at your earnings. Additionally, the earning potential from ChatGPT can be quite low compared to more traditional methods of making money online. Overall, ChatGPT is a viable option for those looking for a quick and easy way to make some extra cash. However, it is important to weigh the pros and cons before committing to a platform. With the right approach and dedication, it is possible to make a decent amount of money through ChatGPT in 2023. How much can you earn? ChatGPT is a great way to make money in 2023, But how much can you expect to earn? This depends on several factors, including the platform you use, how many people you are able to reach, and how much effort you put into it. Generally speaking, ChatGPT is a low barrier to entry and can be a great way to start earning income. The amount you earn will depend on the size of your audience and the type of activity you engage in. For example, if you're able to attract more viewers through organic traffic or advertising campaigns, you'll be able to increase your income. If you are engaging in simple tasks, such as answering questions or providing customer service, then you can expect to make an average of $1 to $2 per task. However, if you're able to drive more sales or increase conversions, then your earnings can go much higher. Overall, ChatGPT can be a great way to make money in 2023. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can start making a passive income and potentially see a return on your investment in the long term. Tips for making the most money with GPT. 1. Sign up with multiple GPT sites. Signing up with multiple GPT sites will give you more opportunities to make money. Look for reputable sites with good earning potential and make sure to read reviews before signing up. 2. Complete tasks regularly. The more tasks you complete, the more money you can make. Look for tasks that have high payouts and prioritize those over lower paying tasks. 3. Refer friends and family. Many GPT sites offer referral bonuses when you refer your friends and family. Make sure to take advantage of this opportunity to earn even more money. 4. Participate in surveys. Surveys are one of the most popular ways to make money from GPT sites. Look for surveys that offer high payouts and are relevant to your interests. 5. Check for bonus opportunities. Many GPT sites offer bonus opportunities that can help you increase your earnings. Look for bonuses like sign-up bonuses, referral bonuses, and cashback offers. 6. Cash out quickly. When it comes time to cash out your earnings, don't wait too long. The longer you wait, the more likely it is that you won't be able to cash out at all. These tips can help you maximize your earnings and make the most money possible with GPT sites. With a little bit of effort, you can easily turn GPT into a lucrative side hustle.